Hello guys and welcome back to my nails channel. In today's video I will show you how to create a beautiful and easy green ombre and a flower French. Keep watching. So finally I was able to put myself together and start recording some nail stuff today, and I really hope this is going to be okay, because I'm just keeping moving around my setup behind me and here, and I don't know exactly how it's going to look like, but let's hope it's going to be okay. To create this easy ombre I will use two colors of indigo. Actually I will use more color of indigo, but two colors that you might be interested in it, which are Indigo Bluesetter that I already use on my channel, and Indigo Bluesetter. This is how it looks like. Without further ado, just let's go with the video and keep watching. That's what I will work on today. I already extend my nails with poly gel and I made an almond shape nails. As these nails are made with poly gel, first things I will apply a base, but I will use the extant base of Semilac because it's thicker than a regular one. I always suggest to apply a base coat before apply any other color or decoration on poly gel's extension. And what I want to make sure is that all the surface of the poly gel is well covered with the base. I dry it in the lamp for 60 seconds. To create this ombre I will use these makeup sponges. It's not needed to use one, but you can cut it in 4 pieces. It would be great to protect the cuticles with some cuticle protective base, but I don't have that. Here I cut my sponges in 4 pieces. I already start applying my poly gel. I applied first the Indigo Bluesetter, which is super greenish color. And the second color I will use for this ombre is Indigo Bluesetter, which is a grayish turquoise tone. It means this is a turquoise, but is a gray turquoise. Applying my colors this way straight on the sponge, and with the patting movements I basically doing a sponging with the product on the nail, and it's not difficult at all. You'll see basically how it's behave on the nail, and you will basically adapt your movement to what you see that you create. But you just really need to tap the sponge on the nail, and is all going to be basically layers of sponging to create this beautiful effect at the end. Before drying my first coat in the lamp, as I didn't put any protection on my cuticle, I make sure that I clean very well with cleaner all around the cuticle, and then I will put in the lamp my first layer. I dry it in the lamp, 30 minutes is more than enough, and I'm going with the second one. And in here applying slightly different, because as I said, while you're starting basically is really going to be easy to understand what is the better movement for you to create the result that you want, but really any movement is good. That's important as you tap. Cleaning again my cuticles before dry it in the lamp. And let's go with the third layer. As you will add layers, you will see that the color will get stronger and stronger, so don't worry. It's okay if every single layer is actually very thin, and it's okay to make few extra layer. It is actually extra steps before to get the result that you want. And going with the fourth layer. Before going with my last layers, I want to make sure that actually my all close the cuticles area are also painted as well. So I tap a flat brush into the color that is closer to the cuticle, and I tap in again. I'm doing like a tap movement with the brush to fill up, but also with a slightly ombre the cuticle area. Lighting the lamp and going with my fifth layer. This time I didn't apply extra product on the sponge because she's already pretty well soaked in product, so I just basically tap it on the first nail, and as you see in the second nail was not enough, so I reapplied actually some extra gel paint. At this point is really up to you the intensity of the color you want to achieve. I decided it was not yet enough for me, so I went for a sixth layer. I dry it in the lamp, and it's time for the top coat. I will use a matte top coat or velour effect top coat. When you're applying top coat, make sure that you even up really well all the surface of the nail. Dry it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Here I did off camera all the ombre on all the nails, and now I will proceed with the French flowers. Here are the colors, the product I will use to create my flowers, and as you see is a mixture of basically what I have. So I use different product, different colors, different brands, and I will show you that really it doesn't matter, because you just basically create this kind of decoration with any kind of gel polish you have, because it will work anyways. I never used yet this gel mousse of Indigo, so I'm really curious to try it. And one of the most important things to create some flowers is choose the right brush, and I will use this one here. With a dotting tool I create the center of my flower. And after I dry it for literally few seconds, I will start to create my flower. And remember, every single petal of the flower you do, if you not have the right product, it is always better, in my opinion, every single step to put it like for a few seconds in the lamp to make sure that the artwork that you just did is going to stay. So eventually every other mistake you will make at the next step, you can just erase the mistake, but you will not erase all the artwork you already did before. And as you see, to create this flower, I was using the dotting tool because I using this mousse gel, and I figured out that with the brush is a little harsh, so I just basically use the dotting tool because this is actually really moussey UV gel, and as I never used it before, it was easier for me this way. And again, every single petal you see me doing, I dry it a few seconds in the lamp. It would be actually also great to have like one of these mini lamp just for one fingernail, so it will be easier and faster just to use that in your hand while you're doing, for example, the nail of someone else, but also your nails. In here I made 3 pretty big flowers, so I thought it's enough, and it's really up to you. You can basically fit more flowers if you make them smaller. There is not really a rule for that. And I finished the rest of the flowers off of camera. And now what I'm doing, very important, as I was using gel polishes that have like the sticky layer, you need to take some cleaner and clean all the nails to make sure that you remove the sticky layer. And truly no extra top coat is required because they will last anyways. Always remember to put cuticle oils on the fingers. And as I use a matte top coat, I want to make sure to not make it look shiny, so I clean and push the oil towards my finger inside, not towards the outside where are my nails. I also suggest when you have matte top coat to use a dry oil or a dry cuticle oil. For example, this Seminal Care are dry oils. And here we go, guys, this is my beautiful, in my opinion, green ombre with these flowers French, which is absolutely really pretty and gorgeous for spring and also summer. I truly hope you enjoy it as much I do. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, which is a like. Subscribe to my channel if you didn't yet and you like my content. Write me something in the comment down below if it's in your pleasure. And thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!